We have to show them how we'd be like frozen. Okay, so you go like this, right?
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's scared! It's scared! It's a bug! It's a bug! It's a bug! It's a freaking bug! Do you see it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm scared! I'm scared! It's coming near me! I'm scared! Oh my god! Get the killer! Get killer! Oh my god! I'm scared. It's coming towards my computer. Oh god. No, no. Wait, Ruby, where's the killer? Give me some like Windex or something. I don't care. I don't care. Just oh my god. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to kill it. Kill it with this. Do you see? Okay. Okay. Ruby, give me something. We're gonna film it.
I'll film.
Okay. Wait.
What is that?
Do you see it?
What is that?
I don't know. Oh my god. I'm so scared.
It's still alive.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No. We get the Windex. Windex fixes everything. Remember, like in the movie.
Hurry. Hurry.
Windex. I think it's dead.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was disgusting.
That was so scary.
That was super weird. I'm glad you saw that. Because it was like near me. It was coming near me. Windex does fix everything. Oh my god, it really did.
I hope it's dead.
No, it's not even moving. See? It's dead. I don't even know what that is. It's a caterpillar.
I don't think it's caterpillar.
I think it's a centipede.
Oh my god. It looks kind of like the caterpillar.
Windex is the best thing ever.
No, I'm serious. Like the Resolve, like you think that would kill it. No, the Windex killed it.
Windex got some skill. Man, I need like travel size Windex to take with me everywhere I go. That was so scary.
No, I'm
I'm
serious.
like out of breath. I was like running. Did you see me? I like ran.
Okay, it's dead.
Thank God.
It ruined our video.
Oh, I like it.